Okay, first one of the day is this Yamaha Fazer. This is a new client. Brought it over the other day for me to have a look at. We're going to do one of our full Monty valets on it. As you can see, it's never been properly cleaned. Got lots of detailing and attention needed. See if we can do something with that exhaust. He is thinking it. So I said it's definitely worth the investment getting it trotted. Just under 30,000 miles, 26,000 miles is what it's got on it. So we're going to do our bit, see if we can tart it up a little bit. Unfortunately, I just checked, his suspension linkages are knackered. There's about a quarter inch of play up and down, so he's going to need to get that sorted as well. We'll get all this old chain lube off of here, get all that old stuff cleaned off, get it blow dried and re-lubed, and get some XCP on it once it's all cleaned up. So I've got to see if we can do something with this windscreen as well. It's quite heavily scrapped, so let's get cracking. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. I have done what I can with this Fazer. What a transformation on this beast. We ended up having to paint these wheels as they were quite heavily marked up. Did all the discs, all your calipers, been meticulously cleaned, polished up that exhaust the best I could, cleaned up the little spoilers down there, put those back on form, XCP'd all the motor, all your suspension linkages, polished up all the exhaust, all your cables, everything's been dressed and treated. Managed to get all that rust off those discs. All the old chain lube has been scrubbed and scrubbed. We then blow dried it all, re-lubed it all back up with the Silcoline titanium gel. All done 3 hours on the dot, even mirror polished up the levers. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.